Internal PC communication failing because of the Synhub Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Follow me for a safe, engineered fix. To start fixing Synhub Library manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the Synhub Library, the Synaptics Device Hub module. It manages the localized, unmanaged communication between the OS and Synaptics touchpads. It facilitates the localized execution of multi-touch gesture logic and localized palm rejection manifests. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Since Synhub Library DLL is an application-specific dependency for Synaptics, you need to download the latest version of the software, throwing the error to properly register the library within its own folder. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Synhub library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. The version of Synhub Library DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. Instead of manual troubleshooting, you may review automated diagnostic options referenced below for Synhub Library. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Synhub Library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.